So I'm making this video to show you how Invideo AI works. I'm going to be using the free version because I'd like you to see exactly what it looks like if you don't really want to pay for the paid version. I'm going to start. I've actually created this prompt to give it. So I've said create a video about the top 5 things to do in and around Pretoria, South Africa. Use a British male voice. Keep it under 1 minute and end the video with the following. If you are looking for an affordable place to stay, take a look at self-catering on Brewerfoss. Click the link below to book now. Generate. Okay, so you can see it takes a little bit of time. Okay, so then you get this, which is basically who you want to target. I'm just going to leave it on the standard settings, travelers. The look and feel is bright, and the platform is YouTube. We're going to, let's make it Instagram Reels rather. Okay, so let's click continue. You can use the Instagram Reels for YouTube as well. Okay. Okay, so the video is ready. Let's take a look and see what it came up with.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Pretoria is the place to be. Let's dive into the top 5 must-see attractions. First up, the Union Buildings. These stunning gardens and historic buildings are a must-see for any visitor. Next, Freedom Park. This cultural and heritage site offers both a history lesson and breathtaking views of the city. Third, the Pretoria National Botanical Garden. Perfect for a peaceful stroll among indigenous plants and serene water features. Fourth, the Voortrekker Monument. This iconic landmark offers incredible panoramic views and a deep dive into South Africa's history. And finally, Ritvlei Nature Reserve. Just a short drive from the city, this reserve is perfect for a safari experience with plenty of wildlife. Excited yet if you're looking for an affordable place to stay, take a look at self-catering on Brewerfoss. Click the link below to book now.
Okay, so there are a few things that we can improve. So what we're going to do now is we are actually going to go into the edit mode. And you can see there's all the different story blocks. So this is kind of nice here for the book now. But I think this picture here, I'm going to perhaps change it out for an actual picture of the accommodation. And then this book now, I found this 2 seconds is very, very quick. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go in and edit the script. And yeah, you can see you can actually you can edit each different picture script. So you can see there's sometimes a pause in between. Okay, I can see they have actually put a pause in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a pause afterwards, because that will just leave it slightly longer before it clicks off. This Ritvlei, I'm going to spell it out as it would probably be spelled in English. I'm going to spell it like that, Ritvlei, so that they pronounce it Ritvlei Reserve. Let's just go through here. That should be fine. And the pauses, everything should be fine. Okay, so I'm going to apply these changes now. Okay, so before we do the preview, I just want to go and show you how to change that one image to an image of the actual guest house. So we're going to go back to edit. And if you go and have a look, you can see I have actually done it. Reason being, I did it and realized that I didn't record what I was doing. But to show you how to do it, you go to upload media, you drag it in from your file, it will then end up over here. And what you do is you just click on the image. It'll show you also the text that you're running it through so that you know what text you're dealing with. And then you literally just click on replace, and then it'll replace the image for you. Okay. So, and then obviously afterwards you're going to click apply changes. Because I'm not making any changes right now, I'm just going to click on the X button, and then we are going to play
I'm
this
sure you've
over
heard the
again.
news that Pretoria is the place to be. Let's dive into the top 5 must-see attractions. First up, the Union Buildings. These stunning gardens and historic buildings are a must-see for any visitor. Next, Freedom Park. This cultural and heritage site offers both a history lesson and breathtaking views of the city. Third, the Pretoria National Botanical Garden. Perfect for a peaceful stroll among indigenous plants and serene water features. Fourth, the Voortrekker Monument. This iconic landmark offers incredible panoramic views and a deep dive into South Africa's history. And finally, Rietvlei Nature Reserve. Just a short drive from the city, this reserve is perfect for a safari experience with plenty of wildlife. Are you excited yet? If you're looking for an affordable place to stay, take a look at self-catering on Brewerfoss. Click the link below to book now.
Okay, so that's where I'm actually going to leave it because I think it's pretty okay. Um, I'm not so sure about the British male voice. I would probably change it to um, maybe American female voice, which you can do here. You can actually go in here and you can say, um, if you click here, you can see that make this chapter half as long, it's too wordy, change the subtitle theme. Um, you can actually change things around. I have used this before where I've changed the narrator. The only trouble with that is that it does sometimes go and change the wording a little bit um, to fit in with the narrators. If they've got a bit of a slower speech or maybe they speak a little bit faster. So I'm not going to do that because it might change the video and then require a lot more editing to get it back to where it is now. Um, so I'm not actually, like I said, I'm not going to do that right now. What I am going to do now is I'm going to download the video. Okay, so you can see here, these are your download settings. If you require no watermarks, then obviously you have to upgrade to the Pro version, which is $25 per month if you do it on a month-to-month basis. But otherwise, you literally just go to stock watermarks and you select your normal branding, and then you can download your video. Okay, and I'm just going to run through it one more time just to check that
I'm sure
everything's
you've heard the
okay.
news that Pretoria is the place to be. Let's dive into the top 5 must-see attractions. First up, the Union Buildings. These stunning gardens and historic buildings are a must-see for any visitor. Next, Freedom Park. This cultural and heritage site offers both a history lesson and breathtaking views of the city. Third, the Pretoria National Botanical Garden. Perfect for a peaceful stroll among indigenous plants and serene water features. Fourth, the Voortrekker Monument. This iconic landmark offers incredible panoramic views and a deep dive into South Africa's history. And finally, Rietvlei Nature Reserve. Just a short drive from the city, this reserve is perfect for a safari experience with plenty of wildlife. Are you excited yet? If you're looking for an affordable place to stay, take a look at self-catering on Brewerfoss. Click the link below to book now.
Okay, so it all looks pretty good. I think that will actually make a really nice Instagram video and also maybe Facebook a video as well as YouTube Shorts. One nice thing about it is that if you scroll down, you can actually look at this brief that it gives you here. This is quite nice to put with your video as the text, and it also gives you a whole lot of hashtags to use, which I think is pretty cool. Um, and then obviously the link you want to put in this section here because it'll say click the link below.